Did you know it's possible to create your own custom hotkeys for opening applications and folders in Windows? In this video, I'm going to show you how. We'll start by using a simple example here. I have OpenOffice installed, and it created a shortcut on my desktop. And if you look closely at this shortcut, you'll see that it has a little shortcut image right next to the icon, as opposed to other icons on the desktop that don't have that. That shortcut image indicates that this is a shortcut, which points to another application or folder somewhere on the desktop. And if we right click this and then go down to Properties and click Properties, you'll see that its target is actually a completely different file somewhere else on the computer if you look at the target here. And you also notice the shortcut key is set for none. Well, I'm going to use it for Control-Alt-O for OpenOffice. Click OK. I need administrator permission to change these settings. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, when I press Control-Alt-O, it will automatically open up OpenOffice. I can do this for other folders, for example, my home folder here called VidUser, but I can't do it on the folder directly. There is no properties option for the context menu on this folder, so what I need to do is create a shortcut. So I'll click the Create Shortcut item down here, and it creates a shortcut which links to this folder. So now that I have a shortcut for my folder, I can right-click that shortcut, go down to Properties, and under Shortcut Key, press Control-Alt-V as in Victor, or for VidUser, click OK. Now when I press Control-Alt-V, it opens the Windows Explorer to my VidUser directory here. I can do this for just about any program as long as there's a shortcut for it. For example, let's go to Calculator, and if I click and hold Calculator and drag it out onto the desktop, it creates a link, and you can see it's a shortcut by that little arrow on the image. Right click this, go to Properties, and then press Control-Alt-C. Move my icon over here. Now when I press Control-Alt-C, it will automatically load the calculator. So you can do this for just about any folder or application that has a shortcut associated with it. As long as there's a shortcut, you can usually right-click it, go to Properties, and assign it a custom shortcut key right here. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Also, make sure you check out the website www.the-nerdcave.com and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.